Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Fortnite error code LS0013. Let's begin. Now, if you see this Fortnite error code LS0013, it typically indicates a connection issues between your computer and the Fortnite's servers. Alright, now to resolve this error, you can try the following troubleshooting steps. Okay, number one is you need to check the Fortnite server status and ensure that Fortnite's servers are operational. You just have to visit the official Fortnite status website on status.epicgames.com to see if there are any ongoing server outages or maintenance activities. And of course, if the servers are down, you'll need to wait until they're back online. Okay? Now, the next step that you can do is you might want to go to the Epic Games Launcher setup and try to click on the repair options. Because from here, in the most recent installation by fixing and corrupt file shortcuts and registry entries, and when you click on it, you would be able to see if that works or not by trying to repair the Epic Games Launcher setup and then try to restart your computer to see if that worked. Okay? Now, the next option is you might want to ensure that your internet connection is stable and not experiencing any disruptions. Try restarting your modem or router, and you might want to use a wired connection instead of a Wi-Fi if possible for a more stable connection. If that doesn't work, you might want to try to disable any VPN or proxy service. Alright, now try to disable it temporarily. Sometimes these services can interfere with Fortnite's connection to the servers. Once you do that, try to restart to see if that works. Now, the next option that you might want to go to is, now we need to try flushing the DNS cache, because flushing your DNS cache can sometimes resolve connection issues. Now, open your command prompt or the CMD and try to type in ipconfig/flush DNS. And after that, after hitting enter and wait for the confirmation message, restart your computer and try launching Fortnite again to see if that worked. Now, if you tried all these steps and nothing's happening, you might want to contact the Epic Games support. Alright, if you're still encountering the error code LS0013, so it's recommended to contact the support for further assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, what troubleshooting steps you have already taken, and any relevant error messages you are seeing. And of course, by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve Fortnite error code LS0013 and get back into the game. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.